Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is visualbasic.net. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is visualbasic.net? Visualbasic.net or VB.net is a programming language and development environment that is part of Microsoft.NET Framework. It is a revolution of the original Visual Basic language and is designed to provide a more powerful and modern programming experience for developers. VB.NET is an object-oriented programming language or OOP, which means it focuses on creating and manipulating objects that represent real-world entities. It supports features such as inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, which help in building modular and maintainable code. One of the key features of VB.NET is its integration with the .NET framework. The .NET Framework is a platform that provides a large set of libraries and tools for developing various types of applications, including web applications, desktop applications, and mobile apps. VB.NET can leverage these libraries and tools to create robust and feature-rich applications. VB.NET uses a syntax similar to earlier versions of Visual Basic, making it relatively easy for developers familiar with Visual Basic to transition to VB.NET. However, it introduces several new language features and improvements, including enhanced support for multi-threading, structured exception handling, and improved debugging capabilities. VB.NET applications can be developed using Microsoft's Integrated Development Environment or IDE called Visual Studio. Visual Studio provides a comprehensive set of tools for designing user interfaces, writing code, debugging, and deploying applications. It offers a visual designer that allows developers to drag and drop controls on forms, making it easier to build user interfaces. Overall, Visual Basic.NET is a versatile and powerful programming language that allows developers to create a wide range of applications for Windows platforms using the .NET framework. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on Microsoft Visual Basic.NET. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.